Welcome to this video demonstration of service planning for gantry service assembly. This session will guide you through the process of creating a new service plan, defining service requirements, and setting up a service container to maintain the gantry service assembly. Using Teamcenter Active Workspace, you'll learn how to add parts, service cards, skills, and notices to the plan, ensuring it is complete and ready for execution. This structured approach enhances maintenance accuracy, improves team readiness, and reduces service downtime. I'll use the global search to find the gantry service assembly. It helps to save time by quickly finding the related objects using the global search in Active Workspace. I start by creating a new service plan dedicated to the gantry service assembly. This plan will organize and schedule all upcoming maintenance activities for this assembly. With a tailored service plan, I ensure proactive maintenance, reducing unplanned downtime for the card transfer system. Next, I set up a service container. This acts as the main structure to group all the service tasks for the gantry. Grouping tasks in a single container keeps everything organized and accessible, making planning and tracking much easier. Now, I create service requirements for the gantry service assembly by adding maintenance tasks under different containers. By organizing service requirements in this way, I make it easy for technicians to find and perform the exact maintenance actions needed, improving accuracy and efficiency in our service operations. I then generate work cards for these requirements. These are detailed job instructions for each task on the gantry service assembly. Work cards provide clarity and reduce errors during maintenance, ensuring work is performed right the first time. Next, I add all the necessary spare parts along with specialized tools. I also specify required skills, such as certified technician, and important notices for safe working. This ensures technicians show up fully prepared, with the right parts, tools, and expertise, greatly reducing service delays. At last, I set the maintenance frequency. By doing this, scheduled intervals keep vital components in top condition and extend the gantry's service life. With Active Workspace, creating a new service plan to maintain the gantry service assembly streamlines the entire maintenance process. This involves defining service requirements and service containers, and adding relevant parts, service cards, required skills, and notices, ensuring comprehensive and effective service coverage that reduces downtime, improves equipment reliability, and enhances overall operational efficiency. If you're curious to learn more about our services, we offer a 30-day free trial. You can access it by clicking the free trial link in the video description or by scanning the QR code shown in the video. Give it a try and see how it works for you.